Hi everyone. Yeah, this today I will show you how I create this embellishment. Okay, and yeah, for the kit you will receive all these, so you can make this one by your own and everything here. So yeah, what I did is actually I already forget how do I make this one. Anyway, yeah, just let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so yeah, because I always mention every time I do the thing we came out different, even is same. And yeah, this one I use the small button because I don't have this I will, yeah, so I use the small size, so you can see something different. If this one, the big one, you can see very big, same as the one I show you. Okay, and please hold on a second. Okay, yeah, so yeah, you have to glue this button here. I will use hot glue gun. Just very be careful your hand. Okay, oh, burn my finger. Okay, it's okay. Okay, yeah, you can just follow your way to do how you like. Yeah, you prefer to make this, but I just show you how I make mine. Okay, so yeah, glue this side here. This one doesn't matter. Okay, so yeah, I receive all this first. Also, I print on this kind of the fabric. Okay, so yeah, just see how you, which side is much more better. So you just fold it and put underneath and glue it like so. So okay, you turn over, you can see, just put a little bit glue, no need much, just a little bit, you can stick on. So like so, and this one you just make it get the just like so. Okay, simple, easy, and pretty. Okay, so you got this. Okay, so, and this side, yeah, you have to add a little bit more here. And for the flower here, I will make the underneath first. This one I will make last. Okay, so I also have another big one, and just put this side. Okay, put underneath. See, I will prefer to see more leaves here, like so. So we just glue it, put it with glue. Like so. Okay, and yeah, okay, I forget something. Okay, I will get these pieces here. All these pieces, and I tea dye already So yeah, you can, yeah, I forget this part here because you can see, oh no, this one I put underneath. Okay, yeah, so I already forget how do I make this one, because every time I make it will come out different. So this one you can put like so, so you get this lace underneath here. And I think I get the, like, if I put the pieces big, yeah, so yeah, because you can make all this embellishment with your leftover laces. So yeah, everything turned out is so pretty. I love, yeah, I will collect everything, even the small pieces. So yeah, my cupboard, my drawer is already full because I seldom to throw my leftover away. So you can see will turn out like so far. So now, yeah, this one you can see I'm use the small pieces here. If you get this one in the pig piece, so you get this one. So like so, and underneath I will add, see, you can see, yeah, after you finish everything, you have to check which part you need to add more flower. So yeah, so far like so. And this one I will show you how do I make this flower on top the here. Okay, and yeah, all the buttons I believe you will get different this, because I will cut the small pieces, so you came out, you will make something different by your own. So yeah, if this one, you just follow your heart and you can see which side you need to add more flowers, or what you can check and add this by your own. Okay, this tutorial just show you how do I start, how I make this. Okay, and for this flower I just like so, like this one I just roll these small pieces here, and I will press this down here, so you can see you get these pieces here. So you can add this screw here directly and put these pieces, this piece flower, yeah, okay, and you can make another one, roll around and press, yeah, the color, you can see the bright color is inside. Sorry, forget this part. Okay, that's so, and just this, just grate down. So, and this one I will put this side, because this my button is small button, so I cannot put on top. So I will put this one here. You see, back here I will put a little bit glue. Okay, you see it's different from this one, but this is the big button I can add on top here. Okay, yeah, just see how everything turned out. And if you have the leaves, You can add the leaves, make it small. So you can trim it if too long or too big. I'll just make this first, as you see. Yeah, I can put this here. Sorry, this one. Let me check. If it's not pretty, you can remove. Yeah, if not, it doesn't like how it came out, so you can remove it and glue again. Yeah, I think this one I put inside is more better. Let me see if now we have to trim it. Okay, short. And see how it. Nope. See, is it okay? It's not. Then I will put another side. Yeah, I love to see use the same set. The same material. You can create different style. Yeah, follow your own style to make your own embellishment. Yeah, you need not to follow exactly how I make here. You can make just follow your way. Okay, like so. If this flower here, I also can add a little bit glue and make this flow up, like so. Okay, so far this, I still have one here, and I will put this also. Put like so. Okay. This part here. Ta-da! So we got this, okay, and with the small button, and this is big. So this is how my turn out so far. So if you just see how you use this embellishment, yeah, you can make your own tassel, or this you add on your fabric bow, or make anything you like. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and I will come back to show you another tutorial. Okay, and thanks again. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting. Okay, and see you soon.